There's a few reasons why we block our root chakra, our energy center for safety, security, survival, stability, sense of belonging, feeling grounded and rooted, connection to Mother Earth and to the divine feminine. 1. Disconnection from Mother Earth. Building an energetic communion with the soul of Gaia, feeling her, feeling safe in her womb, and connecting with nature through hiking, sports, eating fruits and vegetables. 2. Not feeling safe and secure. Living in an environment, family, neighborhood that doesn't make us feel safe and secure. 3. Not feeling worthy of love. The general pattern is not feeling worthy of feminine or mother love for men, and not feeling worthy of masculine or father love for women. 4. Living in survival mode, living paycheck per paycheck, not having at least 6 months of living in your bank account. 5. Stuck in the etheric world, mostly connecting with the third eye chakra and crown chakra, mostly channeling, connecting with psychic abilities and spirit guides. It can be a form of escape of unworthiness from feelings of not belonging in the physical world. 6. Feeling like a black sheep. Not feeling we belong in your family or community or school or relationship or even on Earth. 7. Not having your needs met. Physical needs like a home, food, and non-physical needs like empathy, understanding, connection, nourishment, closeness, significance, emotional support. 8. A tense pelvic floor muscle. A tense pelvic floor is due to trapped emotions, but it is also extremely beneficial to do Kegels exercises to then use that pump to circulate our life force energy with the microcosmic orbit breathwork. 9. Not exercising, not sweating, not pumping blood vessels. 10. Scarcity. Fear of scarcity, not trusting that the universe got your back. 11. Fears. Being aware of your fears, acknowledging and sending love to them. 12. Trapped emotions, like unworthy, worthless, betrayal, abandonment, forlorn, overwhelm. To go deeper, watch my in-depth video lessons on the root chakra.